Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your state return in FreeTaxUSA after federal changes. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To update your state return in FreeTaxUSA after making changes to your federal return, start by logging into your FreeTaxUSA account. Once logged in, navigate to your current tax year dashboard. Locate the option for your state return within the dashboard. Click on the link to access your state return. Review the state return summary to identify any areas that may need updates. Next, return to your federal return to confirm the changes you made. Ensure that all relevant information has been updated in the federal return. After confirming your federal changes, go back to your state return section. FreeTaxUSA will typically alert you to any discrepancies or necessary changes. Address any alerts that are displayed on your screen. Make the necessary adjustments based on the updates from your federal return. Double-check all entries within the state return for accuracy. Once all changes have been made, proceed to the state tax calculations. Review the new state tax liability or refund amount. If everything looks accurate, continue to the filing process. Select your preferred method for submitting your state return. Complete any final prompts required by FreeTaxUSA to finish your update. Keep an eye out for a confirmation message indicating your state return has been updated successfully. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.